Good morning. I have to admit I was a little nervous to be here today, but whoever staged these children over here, thank you, because it reminded me of why I got in this profession and why we're here today and why we got involved in this initiative. So I'm honored to be here today with Doug Francis, our head mechanic from Gaylord Community Schools, representing the 3,000 plus students we have and 300 plus employees. When we embark on any initiative at Gaylord, there's three lenses we always look through. What are the financial implications? How does it attract, retain, and reward the best employees? And most importantly, what's the impact on teaching, learning, and achievement? When this DEQ grant came out, we were certain adding 2 electric buses would strengthen our fleet of 29 and enable us to cover our 125 square mile school district in a safer and more economical manner. We also knew that bus drivers are hard to find, and having electric buses could attract some very good bus drivers to the field. But most importantly, we knew that the school day does not start when the bell rings. It starts every morning when that bus door opens and a child climbs aboard. Riding an electric bus provides a functional and real-life learning experience for our students by connecting the physical and environmental science classes to the transportation department. Students can learn about alternative modes of powering vehicles in a textbook, a video, or a news article, but when they see it and experience it, we know the impact on learning dramatically increases. Many of you may be aware of Claude Shannon, or who he is, and if you don't, I encourage you to Google him. He was one of the most influential engineers of our time. In addition to publishing his groundbreaking information theory that provided the backbone for today's artificial intelligence, Claude was recognized in 1951 Life magazine as one of America's top talents. What you don't probably know is Claude was a graduate of Gaylord High School. Although Dr. Shannon is not alive today, I am certain he would be proud to be an alumni of Gaylord Community Schools and a resident of the great state of Michigan. Both places that are willing and able to bring the future alive through introducing electric buses to the curious minds of our students. And who knows, riding an electric bus just may provide the spark that inspires our world's next great scientist or engineer. Thank you.